downhill, our hands fly back, our fingers freeze, our hair falls out, our hair falls out, our fingers freeze, our hair falls out. The iron piston pumps and spouts, the steaming air as hot as sprouts. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. The ones on top are comfortable, yeah, they're sitting on a human chain, they're sitting on a human chain. The limbs compressed, an icy slush, a freezing in a roomy groove. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. Please don't call me Reg, it's got my name. The body's rear, the backing sled, which hits a tree and falls asleep, which hits a tree, and that is that. The grasshoppers get up and burst, and the shovels are the worst. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. Please don't call me Reg, it's got my name. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. All aboard Brenda's iron sledge. Please don't call me Reg, it's not my name. I hear you thinking I'm a thug, sentimental like a thug. Well, I like the physique, yes sir, it's a brutal try. We dive for pearls in the train and hold dying competitions. Who can squirt blood furthest into the mouths of our cannibal overlords? I want to tell you about what I want. I want to tell you about what I want. Think I'm ungenerous? Really? In what way? The more you give someone, the more they want from you. Rubbishing people is fun, it's second to none in the joy that it brings to the self-righteous mind. Ah, ooh, it's my head on straight, baby. I want to tell you about what I want. I want to tell you about what I want. socialismo, no machismo. And the only God shall be the God of L-O-V-E. I want a non-invasive kind of telepathy that lets you feel what it's like to be somebody else. Feel what it's like to be somebody else. I want to tell you about what I was. Hallucinating. I want to tell you about what I was. We're replacing ourselves with the iPhone 17. And that could be our legacy before the feline dynasty scampers over history. Skittle-bop, 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 and the machines count up to heaven 24/7. But 8 million zeros is still zero if you got no heart. I want to tell you about what I want. I want to tell you about what I want. I want to tell you about what I want. I want to tell you about what I want. He was a tall man with a polka dot shirt. He disappeared for a while. Then he came back for a couple of nights. And he disappeared forever. I never finished the book. There's always someone to be loved or to be forgotten. But if you take a long look, there's always someone young and fresh, or cold and rotten. One in a million people touch you. How do I explain? Sincerely I remain Arthur Kane. I was a New York dog. I was really something on the mind that never ends. I was the pulse of it all. But there's always poison to drink alone or to share with friends. One in a million people hit you like a window pane. Sincerely I I remain Arthur Kane. I found myself in the church. I needed something greater than the world I knew. But in the library of your memory, people live in their works. Till the pages close on me, like they're gonna close on you. One in a million people matter, then they're gone again. Sincerely I remain Arthur Kane. Arthur Kane. Delay on La Voz. Yeah, La Voz. Bruce Springsteen.
Make him sound like the boss. He's the boss. He is the boss.
Pedal, sing saxophone. Yeah, delay, rock and roll delay. No, not reverb. Oh, wait, hell like that. Time is written on your face, and the cold right arms of memory embrace you. Love is all we left to waste. love